Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. We choose our associates carefully. June 5th. We choose the best in friendships. Put my name upon the children of Israel, and I will bless them. Numbers chapter 6, verse 27. God's word places great stress upon the influence of association, even upon men and women. How much greater is its power on the developing mind and character of the children and youth. The company they keep, the principles they adopt, the habits they form will decide the question of their usefulness here and of their future and eternal interests. Through contact with the irreligious, the pleasure-loving, the corrupt, many youth lose the simplicity and purity, the faith in God, and the spirit of self-sacrifice that Christian fathers and mothers have cherished and guarded by careful instruction and earnest prayer. As a rule, men and women who have broad ideas, unselfish purposes, noble aspirations are those in whom these characteristics were developed by their association in the early years. In all his dealing with Israel, God urged upon them the importance of guarding the association of their children. All the arrangements of civil, religious, and social life were made with a view to preserving the children from harmful companionships and making them from the earliest years familiar with the precepts and principles of the law of God. The object lesson given at birth of the nation was of a nature deeply to impress all hearts. Before the last terrible judgment came upon the Egyptians in the death of the firstborn, God commanded his people to gather their children into their own homes. The doorpost of every house was marked with blood, and within the protection assured by this token, all were to abide. So today, parents who love and fear God are to keep their children under the bond of the covenant, within the protection of those sacred influences made possible through Christ's redeeming blood. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.